Boom. Oh, wow. She is beautiful. Gentlemen, you are looking at a blue dial or blue face Rolex Yachtmaster. So here's the whole reason behind this. I am giving one of my employees a watch, a Rolex watch. Why am I doing that? Well, there are a few reasons. Number one, I am somebody that understands the value of good people. The thing you gotta understand, in today's world, everybody is trying to squeeze every ounce of profit out of a company that they can. But the truth is that you can't do it alone. And so there was a friend of mine, Matt, that I've known for a really, really, really long time, probably over 20 years. Actually, it has been. I've known him for over 20 years. And I said to him, I go, hey, are you interested possibly in helping me? If so, maybe come to the office every day and fill orders and I'll pay you, a daily fee in order to come here. And then I'll pay you a per package, fee. He said, yes. He said, sure, I would love to. In terms of Pete and Pedro, Matt was employee number one. But anyway, we went to one of our holiday parties. Each year we have a holiday party, and typically we'll go to some steakhouse. Well, when we were there eating for the company party, it was the holiday party for Pete and Pedro. I think it was, like I said, year number 5. I started noticing that all these servers had Rolex watches on. And then I looked and the cook had a Rolex watch. And the maitre d' that came and cleared his plates, he had a Rolex watch. And so I asked the waiter, I said, hey, why does everybody have a Rolex watch? And he said, well, the owners give all employees at year number 10 years of service, they give everybody a Rolex watch. And so I must have had a glass of wine or two. But I said, you know what? That is awesome. I love that. And so I said, after that meal, I said, here's the deal, guys. We're doing something. Here's the thing we're going to do. After 10 years of service at Pete and Pedro, I want to buy you a Rolex watch. Everybody was like, this is awesome, right? Because it's awesome. Now, why would I want to do that? When I could just keep this money and it's basically coming out of my profit and all that. Why would I do something like that? The answer is pretty simple. I can't do this alone, and I value every single person that helps me every single day. We are a family. And it's a way for me to show, it's a small token of appreciation just to let people know, hey, I love you, I appreciate everything you've done, and I just want to say thank you. And so the other day, it was last week, my assistant Debbie sent me a message, said, hey, it's Matt's 10-year anniversary. And I was in bed when I got it, and I'm like, crap. I know what I said in 10 years, but we got to do it. Boom. Oh, wow. She is beautiful. Gentlemen, you are looking at a blue dial or blue face Rolex Yachtmaster. Gosh, it is so beautiful. This is incredible. And I hope he likes it. All right, put it back. So what do you say? You want to go give it to him? Let's go. Here it is.
Holy shit.
10 years.
You gotta be kidding me.
Nope, it's here. Don't rip it. Don't rip it.
Oh, I'm not ripping.
Okay, just open it up, baby.
Wow.
Lift that up. Yep, there you go.
Oh. Wow, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh, man.
Holy
You're okay.
Thank you very much. This is unbelievable.
Unbelievable. I want to see it on. 20 minutes later, he's still trying to unwrap the plastic from this watch. We'll get it, though. We'll get it. So what do you think?
Unbelievable. This is
that is amazing.
Truly amazing. Truly amazing.
Thank you for everything, brother.
Thank you.
Oh. Anyway, guys, thought it would be fun just to show you. Super exciting. It's a beautiful watch, and hopefully everybody here gets one, because if they do, that means that they are still rocking and rolling with Pete and Pedro. And when it comes to team members, treat them like family. take care of them, and they're going to help you achieve amazing things. Guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to do that. Until next time, gentlemen, take care.